Okay, good day everyone. Now we will be having our osteoarthritis. Okay, when we say osteoarthritis, it is a non-inflammatory degenerative disorder. Pag sinabi nating non-inflammatory, it is not caused by your inflammation. Okay, walang inflammation. Okay, so again, no inflammation. Okay, hindi siya caused by your inflammation. Pag sinabi naman nating degenerative, okay, pag sinabi nating degenerative, okay, it develops slowly, it develops over time. And this osteoarthritis is non-reversible joint disease, okay? Hindi mo siya pwedeng ibalik sa dati, okay? Kasi nga, nasisira siya over time, okay? The entire joint structure is affected. So, ibig sabihin, yung buong joint structure mo, affected yan. Okay? Now, ano ba ang nangyayari? Okay? Your articular cartilage breakdown. Okay? Nagkakaroon daw ng breakdown saan? Sa may cartilage mo. And then, nagkakaroon ng formation ng bone spurs. Okay? Pag sinabi natin bone spurs, ito yung smooth bony projections develop along the joint edges. Okay? Kung titignan mo yung normal joint natin, okay? Titignan natin yung normal joint and then the abnormal joint, okay? Ito yung mga spurs natin, okay? Itong yung mga to, nabubuo sila sa mga edges ng joints ninyo, okay? And then eventually, magpo-protrude yan sa mga joint spaces nyo, okay? So pag nag-protrude yan sa mga joint spaces ninyo, yung joint spaces nagiging narrow, okay? Numinipis. And then eventually, magdi-decrease yung joint movement. And at the same time, pwedeng mag-cause yan ng pain ninyo. Okay? Ayan. So, that's the simple pathophysiology of your, what? Your osteoarthritis. Okay? The primary cause of your osteoarthritis is idiopathic. Pag sinabi nating idiopathic, unknown. Okay? Hindi mo alam kung saan nagsimula, hindi mo alam kung saan nanggaling. Okay? Secondary is your previous joint injury and inflammatory disease. Okay? So, most of the time siguro or most na nangyayari dyan is caused by your previous joint injury and inflammatory disease. Okay? So, ano yung mga common joints na involved? Okay? The joints sa hips ninyo, sa knees ninyo, cervical. Pag sinabi natin cervical, yung nasa batok, lumbar, okay? Yung nasa, 'di ba, may L12, L5 tayo, C12, C7. Yung mga common, your ankles and your feet, okay? So they are what? Weight bearing joints, okay? Your hips, knees, cervical, lumbar spine, your ankle and your feet, sila yung nagbe-bear ng weight. Okay? So sa osteoarthritis, ang most common na affected is your weight bearing joints, okay? So yan yung mga what? Yan yung mga joints na common na makikitaan ng osteoarthritis. Now, ano yung mga risk factors natin? Okay? We have your elderly. Okay? Yung mga matatanda. Kasi nga nagpro-progress to over time. So, mas prone yung mga matatanda natin. And mas prone ang women compared to your men when it comes to sex, okay? Or gender, okay? And then we have your Hispanics, African American descent, okay? So, ibig sabihin, mas nagkakaroon yung mga Hispanics and African American descent ng what? Ng osteoarthritis. Okay? So mas common sila. And then we have your obesity. Okay? Pag sinabi naman nating obesity, this is the most prominent risk factors. Okay? So kapag mabigat, okay, prone ka din to what? To develop your osteoarthritis. So now, what are the clinical manifestation of your osteoarthritis? Okay? Una dyan is the morning stiffness, okay? Stiffness, okay? Medyo naninigas yung joints nyo pag sa umaga. And this lasts for what? Less than 30 minutes. Sorry for that. Again, nagkakaroon ng morning stiffness, I should say, okay? Morning stiffness lasting for less than 30 minutes, okay? And then yung joint pain, okay? Movement and relief by rest. Okay, so ibig sabihin, pag nagmo-move ka, nagkakaroon ng joint pain kasi naggagasgasan yung mga bone spurs ninyo, okay, na na-develop over time dun sa may joints ninyo kasi nasira yung articular joint ninyo, okay? So it is relieved by rest. And then we have your Bouchard's node, okay? We have your proximal interfa Landial. Okay, pag sinabi natin proximal, yung etong part na to, yung mas malapit, okay, sa palad ninyo na joints, okay? And then we have your Heberdens, okay? Distal, so yung mas malayo, okay? Yung mas malapit yan sa kuko naman ninyo. That's your distal, okay? So, now, ano yung mga diagnostics na pwede natin gamitin? Okay, we have your X-ray, okay? Pag chinek natin sa X-ray, ano ang makikita nila? Nagkakaroon ng narrowing of joint spaces. Ano pa? Osteophyte formation. Pwede ba yung makita sa X-ray? Yes. Okay, so now, ano ang medical management natin? The goal of your medical management is to reduce pain and stiffness, okay? And maintain and improve joint mobility. Okay, that's the goal of your medical management. Now, what is your priorities nursing diagnosis? Okay, so nursing priorities natin is your pain, number 1 dyan, the mobility, the safety, and the weight management of your patient. Okay, so that's the priority, that's our nursing priorities. Okay, to relieve the pain, okay, to check, okay, and maintain the mobility. Okay, dapat safe yung pasyente nyo, walang fall na nangyayari, and then magbawas ng timbang. Okay, your weight management. Now, okay, paano natin i-prevent ngayon yung osteoarthritis? Okay, we have to do what? Cardio aerobic exercises and lower extremity training. Okay, so that could prevent your what? Your osteoarthritis. So, kailangan magbawas ng timbang and palakasin yung lower extremity na gagamitan natin ng training and also cardio aerobic exercises. Okay, so ano yung mga pwedeng maging nursing interventions natin? Okay, the use of orthotic devices. Example niyan is your splint and your braces. Okay, pwede rin gumamit dyan ng walking aids natin like your canes and your walker. Okay, yung canes natin pwedeng yung paganito or pwede rin yung may 4 na point na paa. Okay, ganyan yung cane ninyo. We also have your walker. Yung walker naman natin parang ganyan na may 4 na paa. Okay, di ba? Ayan, parang ganyan yung ano natin, walker natin. Okay, and then we have your pharmacology. Okay, sa pharmacology natin, gumagamit ba tayo dyan ng acetaminophen? Yes, okay, acetaminophen for initial management. Okay, and then gumagamit din tayo dyan ng NSAIDs. Okay, and then COX-2 enzyme blocker such as your celecoxib. We also have your tramadol and your opioids. Okay, analgesics. And pwede rin tayong mag-inject ng intra-articular corticosteroids. Ito yung mag-i-inject ka mismo directly saan? Sa joint, okay? Directly sa joint niyo. And then we have your topical analgesics, okay? Your capsaicin, methyl salicylate, and your diclofenac sodium. Ito yung topical parang ointment na pinapahid, okay, sa joints, okay? To relieve pain, okay? We also have your methotrexate and your colchicine. Your colchicine is used for the pain and methotrexate is also used for the pain. Okay, pero tandaan nyo to, ginagamit natin ang colchicine for the pain, yes, okay? Pero kung gagamitin mo ng mag-isa si methotrexate for the pain, hindi siya effective. So, kailangan siyang gamitan with colchicine. Okay, so dapat magkasama si methotrexate and colchicine para mas maging effective, okay, yung pain medication natin. Okay, kasi methotrexate and colchicine, they both reduces the pain. Pero kapag methotrexate lang ang ginagamit mo, hindi siya nagiging effective. Pero pag pinagsama mo sila, mas nagkakaroon ng synergetic effect. Okay, so parang yung 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Mas malakas yung effect niya pag nagsama si methotrexate at saka si colchicine. Okay, pero kailangan mo lang intindihin, okay, na si NSAIDs hindi siya pwede sa may bleeding, okay? Kasi pwede mag-cause yan ng bleeding, di ba? Hindi siya pwede, contraindicated siya sa mga may bleeding ninyo, okay? And then, colchicine, contraindicated siya sa mga may problem, kidney problem, okay? Contraindicated sa kidney problem, okay? So, ayan. And then, your methotrexate, okay, they are contraindicated saan? Sa pregnant women. Okay? Contraindicated yan. Okay, so ano pa yung mga management natin? Weight loss, ano pa? Exercise, walking, and then plan daily activities. Okay? If you plan your activities, okay, make sure to use pain medication before exercising. Okay? Para hindi sumakit. Okay? And then, apply warm compress and then massage surrounding muscles, not the inflamed joints. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, hindi directly yung joint ang ang imamassage mo, kundi yung surrounding muscle. And then promote rest and reduction of stress, and then surgery. Okay? So surgery natin dyan is arthroplasty, joint repair. Okay? So that's your osteoarthritis.